Can I speak for 30 seconds? Thank you. In my view, these are two separate cases. One, the case of Prajwal Revanna, in which the grandson of the chief minister, the former Prime Minister of India, H.D. Devegowda, is caught in acts of sexual perversion. That is one case. The second case is the alleged love jihad, in which allegations of love jihad are there, in which Neha Hiremat was killed by Fayaz. Fayaz's family should be questioned. My problem, Mohan Krishna is joining us, a former advisor to Chief Minister Bomai and now political analyst. My problem is, look at this opportunistic Congress party. They are using the Prajwal Revanna case as an escape route to not discuss the Neha Hiremat case. They feel, oh, public attention will go on this videos of Prajwal Revanna, and we will not have to answer why we are not interrogating Fayaz's family members. No, you are, no. 1 minute. One minute. Arey bhai, Abbas, let me finish what I am saying. Have I finished? Why are you interrupting me? Because my words are too straight. Because people across the country are supporting me. Because people in Karnataka are supporting me. They are saying Arnab is saying the right thing. Razak, listen to me, volume up, yours down. The fact is, do one protest, please. One protest demanding the interrogation of Fayaz's family. All this, just one
protest.
protest.
Brothers, no, Arnab.
Yes.
Why Fayaz? Why not Praveen Chaudhary? Ask these people.
Mohan Krishna is on the debate. Mohan, go on.
My sister was killed.
Brothers,
Arnab, 4 from the family were
and
killed.
then the second thing will start.
Did we
Then the
say a
second
Hindu
thing will
killed?
start. Look at the
never said
hypocrisy
Hindu
of
killed.
double standards
We
of the
said a
Congress
murder
government. अरे चुप रहिए थोड़ा.
No sir, that is of Mr. Modi.
अरे please keep quiet. Please
On
keep
the
quiet.
debate.
बोलना चाहिए.
Bolne dijiye, Razak, you spoke for all this while. Now you let him speak, please, viewers. Let Mohan Krishna speak.
Put him down. What the hell is talking? The same Siddaramaiah government takes 5 days to form a CID, to give it to CID. Within 24 hours, when Nagalakshmi Chaudhary sends the WhatsApp letter, Siddaramaiah makes a CID. This is the double standard. Are they not ashamed? In all the debates I have seen today.
Case.
In all the debates, just listen to me. Just listen to me. Just listen to me.
Sir,
Speak. Calm down, both of you. Calm down, both of you. Let him speak. Razak, the issue is sensitive.
You are
Let
not
him
supposed
speak,
to talk
please.
in between.
Arnab, we accepted.
Razak, be quiet, yeah. I mean, you're irritating me with going on and on like that. You know, not listening to anyone
They
else.
played the
Standards,
same politics
your
for
double
political
standards
reasons.
are killing.
Nothing
Don't
came
see
out.
that we have been
Parekh
rooted out.
Mehta case,
We'll be rooted out in Lok
2017.
Sabha election. You will be rooted out in Lok Sabha election. You will be rooted out.
This is what you said before.
Abdul Razak, I will meet you on
This is
June
what you said
4th.
before
I will
assembly.
meet you on June 4th.
Sir, 12 sitting.
I will challenge you.
Because
I
of
will
your
challenge
politics.
you. Do whatever you want.
Criticizing.
Safeguard.
Dead
Let
bodies.
get you far. Safeguard
Don't
his
do
brother.
politics on dead bodies.
Safeguard his
Dead
brother.
bodies.
We know
Don't
people
do
know what to
politics on dead
do.
bodies.
And they have done it already and they will do it always. They will do it
People will
always.
reply.
Remember,
People
the
will
Neha's
reply.
murder will
They
kill you
already replied.
to the
You
end
are
of your
scattered.
career.
That is
To the
the
end
reason
of your
why
career.
the Muslim card is being played. Sir, why is Mr. Modi talking about Muslims now? Because they know the first 2 phases, they have lost it
It's
very
not
badly.
Mr. Modi has spoken
That is
about
why you are
Muslim.
saying the Muslim
You are-
card.
No, let Madhur
That is
respond.
why you speak
One
about
minute.
Sehwag
I want to
Abdul
ask you.
Congress
Razak, are you out of
manifesto
your mind? Where is the Muslim card? My 1 minute. Mohan, one. Where is the Muslim card? Do you think we are saying Fayaz is a Muslim, that's why he should be investigated? Fayaz is a murderer. Say Fayaz is a murderer.
100%
No.
yes.
No, if Fayaz is a murderer.
Not guilt. He's a murderer.
Then what is love jihad that
Fayaz
we're
is a
talking
murderer.
about? Then why are we not talking about Ainaz?
No,
her
we have
mother,
to
her
investigate the
sister,
love jihad
her
angle. If
brother,
somebody
an
is
airline
talking
staffer,
about love jihad
same
angle,
thing.
it has to be
that to a
investigated.
married Hindu man He came to our house, killed all 4 of them. Ask these people, did they condemn?
See, please,
Ask these people. Ask
When
these people about
KGLD,
Farida
DJLD
Khanum's
case
mother.
happened,
let Madhurao respond right now,
has
please.
been,
A
has been
just-born
shielded
baby
by
was
TJLD.
getting
What
thrown.
we are saying.
What are you
Why
talking?
did they condemn?
You know the double standards of the Congress.
think
They're
what-
playing this for
You
political
know the people have
reasons.
understood. Why? Your virtue of
Arnab, what we are seeing now, what we are
Madhu,
seeing
Madhu,
now is
Madhu,
nothing
Madhu,
but...
Madhu and
Don't
Syed.
be so proud.
Madhu and
Arnab-
Syed, Madhu and
Arnab-
Syed, Madhu and Syed. Come down.
Arnab, what we are seeing now is nothing but a decimated party's disgruntled attitude. They will see the dust of the day in June. Point 1. Now, point 2. Siddaramaiah has taken Congress appeasement politics to a new
Syed,
low.
Syed.
He is willing to compromise the security of the whole state, Arnab, only to please a particular minority community. That is very bad. Because
Oh my
this has
God.
sent shockwaves across. Point 3. His entire cabinet dismissed the careful. No, it's case of a Rameswaram blast. You must have known. The entire cabinet came. They wanted to derail it, saying that it was only a cylinder blast, and later on it turned out to be something else. Our only apprehension is the same thing will happen in this case also, because we know
Absolutely
what
not.
Mr. Siddaramaiah does.
Absolutely.
We know what
Do you
Congress
trust
does. So
CID?
therefore,
Do you
my
trust
only
the
point is
CID of this
simple.
state?
Why is
Do
that?
you trust
Why is
CID
that
of
the
this-
government shying away
police
in just investigating in a particular manner? Let there be empirical data. Let them investigate in a particular way. It was, of course, we were the persons who passed the act. Right to Freedom of Religion Act of 2023, Section 3 is there. Let them investigate. There has been a case. I will also tell you one thing. There has been a case which was also
CID,
registered just a week back for about at least
CID,
7 people
a special
who were
court has
raping
been
of women
established to
in front of
fast-track the
her, in
case.
front of her husband, and they have been booked under love jihad case. Let this also be booked. What is wrong in that? Why is the
Does the
government
CID
shying away?
police of the state or
Is
not?
it because of
Do you
appeasement
trust
politics?
police of
It
the
is not
state or
appeasement
not?
politics. Only, Arnab, it is a quid pro quo understanding. I don't do anything to you. You please vote for us. This is what the understanding of the Congress government is. Shocking this is from the Congress
Do you
government.
know anything other than majoritarian polarization? Whenever there is an election, you have to bring in your communal card. Do you know anything other than this in
Sir,
your
do
election
you even know
agenda?
what you are talking? Do you
Do
even
you
know
have
what
the
you are talking?
spine?
We are
You
only
have the
asking,
spine to talk
follow the
about
law.
issues.
Please follow
Do
the
you
law.
have the
The
spine to
law
talk about the
says
issues?
that there has to
Do
be
you have
investigation
the
under
spine to
Section
talk
3 of the
about
particular
the-
act. Please do
You have the
it. You do not even
spine
know
to
the
talk
law.
about
You
investigation.
please tell me what law it
Do you-
is. You please tell me what law it is. Come on.
the spine to
Don't
talk about
keep on
investigation.
don't
You
keep
have
on
the
telling
spine
me
to
the
talk
broken
about
tape recorder
price
like
rise.
this.
Stop your communal polarization. Stop
Who
your
told you it is communal
majoritarian
polarization, sir?
polarization.
You're not even understanding what the issue is. What is the issue?
Talk
It's about
10
love
years
jihad.
achievements.
Let it be
Talk
investigated.
about
No?
your 10 years achievements. Disgraceful. Talk about your 10 years achievements. You have nothing to speak about. Stop your
Okay,
communal
tell me
agenda.
one thing.